Lemko Language, Lesson 15, Prepositions. Lemkijski język, 15 lekcja, prenazylniki. Prepositions in the genitive case. V means at, in the sense of at a person's house or at a person's place. One były w nas wczoraj. One były w nas wczoraj. They were at our house, or they were at our place yesterday. Do means to, towards, or until. Tamtot człowiek idzie do nas. Tamtot człowiek idzie do nas. That man is walking towards us. Im треба ждати до суботи. Im треба ждати до суботи. They have to wait until Saturday. Dla means for. This applies to tangible nouns. Tamtot kin jest dla nia. Tamtot kin jest dla nia. That horse is for me. Z means from. This applies to places or things. My sme z Ameryki. My sme z Ameryki. We are from America. Od means from. This applies to people. Dostał jem podarunok od mого brata. Dostał jem podarunok od mого brata. I received a gift from my brother. Genitive case continued. Okrem means besides or other than. Okrem його brata wszystko сутел. Okrem його brata wszystko сутел. Besides his brother, everyone is here. Sered means among. Серед його братів лем він бесідує по-лемківськи. Серед його братів лем він бесідує по-лемківськи. Among his brothers, only he speaks Lemko. Zamist means instead of. Zamist тя я напишу письмо. Замість тя я напишу письмо. Instead of you, I will write the letter. Bez means without. Ona ist chlib bez masla. Ona ist chlib bez masla. She eats bread without butter. Kolo means near or next to. Ona siedit koło mojej żony. Ona siedit koło mojej żony. She is sitting next to my wife. Prepositions in the instrumental case. Z means with. Wien ist chlib z maslom. Wien ist chlib z maslom. He eats bread with butter. Za means behind or beyond. Jabłka sut za człowiekiem. Jabłka sut za człowiekiem. The apples are behind the man. Його село jest za tom chorą. Його село jest za tom chorą. His village is beyond this mountain. Nad means over or above. Я ходен видіти птаха над деревом. Я ходен видіти птаха над деревом. I can see the bird over the tree. Хмари сут над нами. Хмари сут над нами. Clouds are above us. pered means in front of or before. Ludzie stoят pered waszym chyżom. Ludzie stoят pered waszym chyżom. People are standing in front of your house. Piatnicza jest pered subotą. Piatnicza jest pered subotą. Friday is before Saturday. Pid means under. Pes siedit pід stolom. Pes siedit pід stolom. The dog is sitting under the table. Medze means between. One mieszkaють między horami. One mieszkaють między horami. They live between the mountains. Prepositions in the locative case. O means about or at for certain expressions of time. My besidujemy o lemkijskich selach. My besidujemy o lemkijskich selach. We are speaking about Lemko villages. Вечеря буде о 5 годині. Вечеря буде о 5 годині. Dinner will be at 5 o'clock. В means in for enclosed areas, or at for enclosed areas, as well as for some regions and countries. Я mam wino w piwnicy. Ja mam wino w piwnicy. I have wine in the basement. Діти суть в школі. Діти суть в школі. The children are at school. Ми сме в Польщі. Ми сме в Польщі. We are in Poland. Na means on, at for open areas, or in for open areas, as well as for some regions and countries. Człowiek stoit na kresli. Człowiek stoit na kresli. The man is standing on the chair. Wszyscy są na imprezie. Wszyscy są na imprezie. Everyone is at the party. Він був на Лемковині хлони. Він був на Lemkovyni хлони. He was in Lemkovina last year. Po means after or along. Spał jem po obiedzie. Spał jem po obiedzie. I slept after lunch. Chłopiec idzie po ulicy. Chłopiec idzie po ulicy. The boy is walking along the street. Pre means next to, beside, at, or by. Ціла родина сидить при столі. Ціла родина сидить при столі. The entire family sits at the table. Prepositions in the dative case. Gu, or alternatively ku, means to or towards. One przyszły ku nam. One przyszły ku nam. They came to us. Він іде ku хижі. Він іде ku хижі. He is walking towards the house. Prepositions in the accusative case. V means into, in when involving a verb of motion, or on in the sense of on a certain day of the week. One idут в склеп. One idut v sklep. They are going into the store. Impreza bude v pятницу. Impreza bude v pятницу. The party will be on Friday. Na means onto, on when involving a verb of motion, or for. This applies to non-animate nouns. Pes skoczył na krzesło. Pes skoczył na krzesło. The dog jumped onto the chair. My żdemy na jedzenie. My żdemy na jedzenie. We are waiting for food. Pid means under, when involving a verb of motion. Zaholowok wpał pід постіль. Zaholowok wpał pід постіль. The pillow fell under the bed. Po means for, in the sense of going to get something. My ideme do korczmy po piwo. My ideme do korczmy po piwo. We are going to the tavern for a beer. Accusative case continued. Через, or alternatively prez, means because of, in, for expressions dealing with units of time, through, or across. Не могли сме грати вчора через дощ. Не могли сме грати вчора через дощ. We couldn't play yesterday because of the rain. Наша презентація буде через тиждень. Наша презентація буде через тиждень. Our presentation will be in a week. Вона пізрила през вигляд. Вона пізрила през вигляд. She looked through the window. Я виджу їх през ріку. Я виджу їх през ріку. I see them across the river. За means instead of. For, this applies to non-tangible nouns, or in, for expressions dealing with units of time. Я вмию кошелю за тя. Я вмию кошелю за тя. I will wash the shirt instead of you. Дякую за поміч. Дякую за поміч. Thank you for the help. Мій двоюрідний брат приїде за 4 дні. Мій двоюрідний брат приїде за 4 дні. My cousin is arriving in 4 days. Requirements for personal pronouns. Third-person personal pronouns in the genitive, dative, and accusative cases have an alternative form that is only used before a preposition. To say, he is going to her, at first one would think that it would be Він іде до її. However, this is incorrect. The correct way to say it is Він іде до неї. Next, let's take a look at the alternative forms for all third-person personal pronouns in the genitive, dative, and accusative cases. Let's start with the genitive case. Він becomes нега, нега, or alternatively, нього, нього. Вона becomes неї, неї. Оно becomes neho, neho, or alternatively, nyoho, nyoho. One becomes nich, nich. Next, we have the dative case. Vin becomes nyomu, nyomu. Ona becomes ni, ni. Ono becomes nyomu, nyomu. One becomes nim, nim. Lastly, there's the accusative case. Vin becomes neho, neho, or alternatively, nyoho, nyoho. Ona becomes nyu, nyu. Ono becomes neho, neho, or alternatively, nyoho, nyoho. One becomes nich, nich. This concludes Lesson 15. Please stay tuned for upcoming lessons.